What's up, guys? Bitcoin's pumping, altcoins are pumping, and I just covered two cryptos yesterday, Art Block and LCX. And Art Block touched base at 40 cents today, and LCX hit, I think, around 30 cents. Also, Say hit 75 cents, and even Turbo, the AI generated meme coin that I just bought, was pumping today. It was crazy. I was working and I was literally checking the apps as much as I could in between when I had some downtime. It was super busy. I kept going on every 5 minutes and I was like, holy crap. Every time I refreshed the page, it just kept going up and up and up. And let this be a forewarning as to what the altcoin season is going to look like. We're still not in the altcoin season. I know you guys probably hear it from other YouTubers saying how we're in altcoin season right now. We are not. We're not even close to it. The Bitcoin halving didn't take place yet. Bitcoin's not even in the 50K range. It has to at least moon first. And then smart money is going to shift. Take profits and shift. Vehicle to vehicle. Then we're going to see the rips. So these rallies we're seeing are friggin' remarkable. I'm not taking them for granted. I'm also not trading them. It's very tempting to trade these crypto. Especially the ones that are micro caps that are like this. And I said it in my last video too, I'm pretty sure, that I said micro caps typically go against Bitcoin, or it can be very volatile when you least expect it. And we're seeing that, right? I saw a lot of comments today. You know, some of you thanking me for putting you on to Art Block and LCX, and some of you saying, I was gonna wake up today and buy some more, but it pumped. This is how crypto works. It just has its own wavelength. It goes with or without you. And this is why I DCA, and I posted this on my Twitter. Like, when you DCA into crypto at discounts, you're indifferent to catalysts, right? Because stuff like this, no one saw us coming. Like, I'm pretty sure none of you guys saw Art Block shooting up to 40 cents today, or LCX ripping, or Turbo going up like 40% today. So the fact that we saw these pumps, when you DCA at the dips, you ensure you make some profits. The ones who are not in profit right now are the ones who are just on the sidelines, just watching. My first entry for Turbo was 3025. It is now 304, coming down just a little bit. Say, first entry was around 27 cents, and then I bought it lower around like 21, 22 cents. LCX, lowest entry was 3 cents. Art Block, lowest entry was around 7, 8 cents. Caspa, even on a dip, 11 cents. Lowest entry was a penny and a quarter. This is not me shilling my bags, telling you guys, hey, I told you so. This is me telling you guys, emphasizing the importance of why you should be dollar cost averaging. Not financial advice. I'm literally just telling you guys my mentality, how I've been investing, how I still invest today. I know dollar cost averaging sounds boring. I know the term of hearing day trade, make money today sounds so lucrative, rather than saying, hey, just buy and hold and wait for 2 years to make money. A lot of people here come to this market and they're like, I don't want to wait 1 year or 2 years. I want to wait 2 minutes or 5 minutes and make some money. This is not a trading channel. You can make some money trading crypto, no doubt about it, but you're not going to make millions, life-changing money by trading crypto, especially utility plays. And if you're up in profit right now, it's because you bought these altcoins on the dips. You didn't wait like everybody else, the majority of retail, who's probably still waiting for a huge war to break out or some type of savior to cause a black swan event. Like, it's funny to say this, but the majority of retail doesn't learn. They always think they have crystal balls and they have these big egos, and they never make any moves. And they're always just watching and hating and hoping and freaking the hell out because they had all this opportunity to invest but didn't take advantage. Art Block, LCX, Say, and even Turbo, they're forming higher lows already. This is what I mean. If you missed out on buying a discount because you thought a certain crypto was going lower and lower, you miss out on multipliers every single day. The ones who bought Art Block at 7 cents, they're up roughly a 6x. The ones who bought LCX at 3 cents, they're up over an 8x. The ones who bought Say at 20 cents, they're up over a 3x. Or Turbo, up roughly a 2x. Every single day, week, month that you let discounts go right past you is the time that you start missing out on these big opportunities to make a lot of money. Making money is this: stacking, accumulating, Sometimes buying a little higher than you wanted to, sometimes buying lower than you expected, and sometimes buying when the majority are getting bored or losing conviction. This is all a waiting game. It's patience, it's accumulation, it's self-conviction, it's research, and sometimes it's timing. Right now, we're just seeing altcoins tack each other in, and they're taking turns ripping. We still have time though. Bitcoin, we're probably going to see more of a bearish trend in February. I have a feeling, obviously no crystal ball expert opinion there, but I just have a feeling we're going to see a sell-off again, which means altcoins will dip again. So before I get the question, hey John, would you FOMO in now? Would you DCA now? If I saw my crypto pumping, my general rule is not to buy the pump. I would wait for a consolidation or even better, a downtrend. However, if you see this happen, refrain from the inclination to say it's going lower or say, you know what, I'm going to be greedy and wait for it to go lower. It may never happen and the opportunity will literally pass you by. One of my members today on Discord bought Caspa and Quant, and I told him that was a great move because Caspa and Quant are two cryptos that are not pumping right now, and that's exactly how I invest. If I'm looking to DCA into a certain crypto or a couple cryptos and I have the money to do so, right? If I see that they're up like ArtBlock and LCX and Say and Turbo today, I'll probably refrain and wait, or I'll go down my watch list and see what's discounted. If I see a crypto that's discounted that I feel like I can use more of, I'll buy that crypto. It's literally as simple as that. That's why you have the watch list, so you can stay up to date with what you're holding. You can watch cryptos that you're looking at, and you can remind yourself to research cryptos you haven't yet gotten into. The watch list is very important. You have to utilize it, and you have to be using it on a day-to-day basis. But anyways, now I want to hear from you. What altcoins are you currently looking at right now, and which top 3 altcoins are you most bullish on right now? Drop your comment down below and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like. Really helps so much. With that being said, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.